The cap over there. It's for TV. I'm in the ghetto, so it's like shit. Look at that. Like hell. This guy's just chilling. Get closer to it. I'm bored. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. I'm bored.